Today we've made $1,379. What's going on, Wolves? Eric Ellis here, CEO of WolvesAcademy.com, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to make $1,000 per day. Let's step behind the laptop. Boom, behind the laptop. Now, first and foremost, today's time and date and Eastern Standard Time. If we take a look here, is 11:46 p.m. And if we look at my Stripe account, we're gonna go to dashboard. So this is a live Stripe account, and we're gonna wait for that to load up. Make sure, Nehemiah, you show this actually loading, and don't cut this out where I told you to actually do that. So it's currently loading right now. This is the wrong account. We're gonna go to Wolves Academy LLC, and we're gonna take a look here. And first and foremost, we're gonna look at yesterday. We made $1,320. Today we've made $1,379. If we look at today's date, right, 11:46. So now it's 11:47 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And if we look at today's date, we're gonna go to today. And today's date is May 26th. And if we look here, May 26th, Tuesday. So the day is about to wrap up. There's 13 minutes left, and we made about $1,400 today. And for the week, with this specific income stream, we made $6,928. So we're averaging about $1,000 per day with this income stream. So the next question we want to go ahead and ask is, how did I make $1,379, right? So let's go ahead and look at my Facebook ads account. If we look here, today's May 26, 2020, before the day actually finishes out. Our conversion value is $1,379, right? With 4 different campaigns and a $250 ad spend. So I spent $250 on ads and got $1,379 in revenue. If we look at my Stripe account compared to my Facebook ads account, is pretty congruent there. So basically what I'm currently doing to generate these $1,000 paydays is running selling programs online that solve a common problem. So for example, let's just say I always teach people to get into the big 3 niches: health, wealth, romance. So identifying a niche where it solves a problem, right? What type of products should you be promoting? You could do e-commerce, you could do digital products, affiliate marketing. I would say get started with affiliate marketing, so that way you can sell products that have a higher profit margin, like affiliate marketing. And you can go ahead and sell programs, right, that solve problems. So for example, if I was to go to an affiliate marketing network, I could go ahead and find products that teach people how to learn a new language. I could find products that teach people how to make money online, find products that teach people how to trade Forex, teach people how to do Amazon FBA, teach people how to do e-commerce, teach people how to do YouTube ads, how to do Facebook ads, teach people how to jump higher, teach people how to improve their golf swing, teach people how to text men, teach people how to text women, teach people how to fix their marriage, right? Where there's a problem to be solved, there's money to be made. Now, the cool thing is with these affiliate programs, you don't have to do any of the selling, right? There's 2 ways that you could be marketing these products, right? Now, just to kind of give you guys an example, so his secret obsession, I'm gonna go to an affiliate offer, right? An example of an offer would be this offer right here. So this is within the relationship niche. Now, what this is literally a web page that is created by someone else called The Vendor. What is the vendor in affiliate marketing? The vendor is the person who actually creates the product. And the cool thing is that this video is going to do all the selling. So all I have to do is run traffic, website traffic to this website. So two different forms of website traffic with me, number 1, free marketing. So if you guys don't have a budget, let's just say you can't afford to spend $250 in a day, then you guys could go ahead and do free marketing strategies like creating YouTube videos like this video right here. Or you guys could even create blog posts and teach people something that is similar to what you'd be teaching them how to do or solve with that product. So for example, in this specific product, it's said, I wish I could just tell her about the secret signal I knew would fix everything for her. So basically, this is a sales video. It's called His Secret Obsession, that is teaching women how to speak to men. So basically, the terminology, the communication skills to basically connect with men. So women who don't do well when it comes to communicating with men, this is a product that can teach them how to solve that problem. So there's two ways I can market this. I could either market this by creating a YouTube video saying three ways you can go ahead and learn how to text men, right? Or 3 ways to talk to men, or how to flirt with men. That's a piece of content. It's called content marketing. I can create the content. As people search for it, they're gonna go ahead and see my tutorial video or my how-to video. Or they could do, I could create a how to flirt blog or so on and so forth. Or create like an Instagram account where I'm teaching people about relationship goals or something. Basically, producing content, I prefer, not professionally, I would prefer doing like YouTube or Google blog, because people are gonna be searching to actually solve this problem instead of like creating an Instagram account where you build a following and monetize that following. I would create pieces of content that if people search it, if it's good enough content, people will find your content. And then what you're gonna do is after they find the how to flirt with men free video, you can say, okay, obviously, after you finish your video, obviously you guys are interested in learning how to flirt with men. If you guys want a free, more in-depth training that'll give you 12 different methods to flirt with men, click the first link in the description, or click the link, or having a pop-up on your blog, or whatever that looks like, right? Whatever that free content is, you want that to be bait. It's like fishing. You're basically throwing out bait to see if they'll bite. Once they bite, you bring them to the website that has a sales video that will literally go ahead and present this product to these people, telling them how it can solve their problem. Now guys, this sales video is talking about romance, but you guys could promote these sales videos in any category: romance, weight loss, make money online, golf niche, the list goes on, right? Again, where there's a problem to be solved, there's money to be made. Now, the cool thing about this, guys, you didn't have to create the product. Somebody else created the product. Now, another thing is, as I showed you guys before, you could also be running ads to these type of products. So for example, these are ads that I'm currently running, spending $250 and making $1,000. That's about a 5x return on my investment. So that means for every dollar I spent, I'd be making $5 back. So that means if you were to kind of promote one of these products, right, and run ads, how would you go to run ads, right? You're gonna go ahead and think to yourself, where would these people be hanging out? So for example, I'm currently promoting a product teaching people affiliate marketing. I'm gonna go ahead and target different fan pages like affiliate marketing, business, entrepreneurship, success, Tony Robbins, so on and so forth. Just different things that people would be interested in who might want to solve this problem. If I was teaching people how to lose weight, if I was selling that type of product with Facebook ads, I might target fitness, I might target Ellen DeGeneres, Weight Watchers, so on and so forth, nutrition, healthy meals, vegan, just different categories that these people might be interested in. And then I'm gonna go to actually display an ad in front of this person. So just how I displayed a piece of content with like a YouTube video or a blog, right, as the first point of contact, right, fishing, this is my bait, right, I'm gonna give you this free video or this free thing. Now I'm gonna go to put an ad out in front of this person and say, hey, check out this free video that'll teach you this thing. So that's bait. I'm basically seeing if I could throw my ad out there and get somebody to bite. Now, just like when you're fishing, not everybody's gonna bite. We just need a couple people to bite, right? So all I needed was 5 people, I believe it looked like, if I go back to my Facebook ads, I got 4 sales. So 4 sales generated $1,379. So guys, imagine getting 4 sales and making that type of money, right? So basically, with that being said, you could run ads. The whole goal is this, guys. right? Find a product to sell. I prefer, instead of doing stuff like e-commerce, selling digital products because there's higher profit margins. Second is, how do I market these products, right? Where do I find these products? You guys can find these products on what is called an affiliate network. It's called affiliate marketing. So you guys can do, go to like clickbank.com, jvzoo.com. This is where you're gonna go and actually find these products to promote. Then once you find a product to promote, you're gonna go ahead and then get a link. And the link that you're gonna be getting is gonna go ahead and give you access to a website like this. But at the end of the link, it's gonna go ahead and have your unique ID. So when people make a purchase, it's gonna make sure that you get credit. So let's just say it's a $100 sale for this romance product and they're paying a 50% commission. That means when I get a $100 sale, the person who created the product gets $50 and then me as the affiliate gets $50. Now all I gotta do is now I have my link, I just need to figure out how to promote that link. And there's free and paid ways to do it. I just gave you guys 2 examples. You guys can create content that are kind of giving people a little bit of value and then saying if you want to learn more, then you redirect them to your webpage that does all the selling for you. Or you guys can literally run ads if you guys do have a budget. And with those ads, you're going to be basically targeting people who would be interested in solving that problem and redirect them to your website that does all the selling. Once they make a purchase, you make money. Now, this is how, to keep it simple, this is how paid advertisement works. I want to make sure that I'm making more money in commissions than I'm spending in ads. So for example, my ad spend was $250 and I made $1,379. So what does that mean? That means now I have, even if I was to just do $1,250, now I could spend $250 per day for the next 5 days and I'll be good because I already just made $1,000. So I could reinvest those profits back into my business. So hopefully this is making sense for you guys. If you guys want a little bit more details on how this actual business model works, how you guys can use it to make money, click the first link in the description and get access to a free training, or a button down below, get access to a free training that'll basically show you exactly how to do this, and more importantly, how you can potentially work with me and have me as your mentor, so that way I can teach you how to generate $1,000 paydays. So hopefully you guys gained value from this. If you guys like this video, make sure to subscribe, hit that notifications bell, join the family, and as always, your boy Eric Ellis, the Wolf of Marketing, checking out.